Laziness fuels more laziness, while activity fuels more activity. So don't let the mixture of the fear and laziness mess with your goal, ambition, and productivity. As you know that lazy people get nowhere in the life. The small yet effective ideas to wait to overcome laziness are kept in this video. The four This four small technique will help you a lot to overcome your laziness. The first one is clarity. Without being clear what is aim, passion or where you have to reach in the life, you can't be productive. You must be clear about what we have to study, which subject is in your mind to study. If our mind know what you have to do in the next minute, it will take action immediately. The second one is action plan. Make a action plan what you will study in a week or in a month or in a day. It must be realistic and accomplishable in time. So daily make a to-do list and trick it when you a complete a baby step or a goal. It will keep you motivated. The third one is outcome. If you know your aim in life, what you want to be in your life, you will be productive. For example, if being doctor and serving as a doctor give you happiness, imagine it. You will love to study without procrastination. And the last one and the most important one is the 2 minute rule. It is a Japanese rule. It just take a very simple topic or just take a very simple topic or a paragraph that can be completed in 2 minutes. Just think you have to read only 2 minutes and start reading. After some time you will find yourself studying for hours. It's just magical, no? Okay, at last all this technique only work if you really want to overcome your laziness and achieve your goal. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. That will give me motivation to make such video and more. Thank you.